think it's wrong. D-boy fresh with it on, know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone thaw my heart, I think it's wrong.
Ladies and gents, welcome to another video, man. We're down here at GNS Bam Stars, you know, where I get all my tires. You guys supposed to know the location by now, but I'll leave it in the link below and I'll show you guys the cart. But we got the Soup 1995 Supra. You see it, man. It's right-hand drive, manual gearbox, lowered on some nice rims, right? It's not, and it's actually stock. Would you believe it? The Supra stock. But don't worry, the owner got some big plans coming for that motor, so make sure you follow his page. But we're gonna take you for a ride. We're gonna kick it out a little bit, and, you know, let's take you for a nice drive, man. Yeah, dog.
Oh yeah, so you leave the keys for the cat?
You want it?
That way, as soon as I get free time, I'll go change all the tires and pack it up.
Alright, cool.
That way when you come back here,
Respect my boss.
done.
So I'm saying, you see the service we get down here, man. I haven't driven stick in so long, bro. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's take it for a spin. I have to make sure I put it in third, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I got my rev match down. Back into neutral, my boy. Okay, I'm driving a right-hand drive car. I gotta remember that. Okay. In the US, I've driven right-hand drive car before because I'm from Jamaica. So, you know, I've driven it before. Right-hand drive cars. I mean, my cousin in Jamaica got a Supra too. Down there, I mean, shit. Okay, I should have called him and be like, yo, how do I'ma drive it? Oh shit, I'm on the right side, dog. Yo, this shit crazy. This shit crazy, guys. Make sure you support GNS, man. Check them out for all your tire needs. Okay, I see you, Scooter. Check them out for all your tire needs. Check them out, alignment, stuff like that. They do it all, man. Second, third, first. Okay. Which one is the indicator? This one, okay. Yo, we're rolling with kilometers an hour too. So I don't know how fast I'm going, officer. Just put it in for it and chill for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Fifth. I think this only got 5, so I'm gonna just go up to 5 because I think it only got 5 gears forward, right? I should, damn, I got so many super enthusiasts, I should just call one of them. I got my shifts on point though, you better know that. Yes, we in the soup, man. We in the soup, pressure, soup, pressure. Oh shit, that's the wrong one. That's the damn wiper, sir. It was only a bit of a moment before I did that, right? Oh, that spoiler look nice. You can see it in the mirror too. All right. Yo, this stick shift feels so nice. I'm using my left hand. I thought I'd be, a little bit worse at using my left hand for stick shift, but no, the hell I ain't. Put it in neutral, close to a stop, and stop. Yo, I'm actually pretty excited driving the Supra. Oh, I got a 370Z behind me. tires rub. Okay. Well, let's see. How does the Supra corner? Got no sign in the back. Sorry, Bob. All right. Actually, let's see. Turning. It's gripping. It ain't spinning. Almost used the damn wrong thing again. All right, bet. We won't need to shift. Let's focus on the turning. Big old truck in the way. God damn, sir, move. We won't need to shift. Let's go to the top of second right there. Turn in. A lot of traffic today, man. Let's try dropping the clutch and see. Yo, it spins. Yeah, it definitely spins. Most definitely spins. It most definitely spins. All right, let's start this POV, man. Where should we go? Let's go this way after this car passes. It's stock, sir. No, it's bent nothing. It's stock, my boy. My boy say, hey, bro. Hi. Man, I'm liking the Supra. It definitely does donuts, right? You like that? That was sick. Yo. And just like that, park back exactly where I found it. Return back to the keys now. But make sure you come down here, man. They work on cars, Toyota BAM stars. They do tires over the next side, GNS. So check them out. All right.